Hey everybody, it's me Evan with Preheat Evan, and we're back in my kitchen. Yay, that must mean a new recipe. This isn't for muggles. This doesn't have anything to do now. We are going to be making flourless almond butter chocolate chip cookies. These are the bomb and they are darn right down addicting. So let's get into the recipe. So now we're going to add our almond butter. So let's see if it will work. You can use a spatula like this one, which I adore, which is pink. Woo! Now I want to lick that, guys, but I won't, because coronavirus. Perfect, guys. Hopefully I have a paper towel right here. Now we're gonna add half a cup of sugar. Sorry guys, I'm kind of crazy right now. 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla together. And now you're going to add your delicious chocolate chips. I have a cup of chocolate chips. You can go more. When you try but you don't succeed. Or you could add more. Now we're going to mix it. Oh, I forgot to add the baking powder. So happy, last time I made these, we had it measured out and it was already put in. Yeah, and then I put more in. So we'll see when I'm done. Whoop, and we're back. I had to switch over to a wooden spoon. Of course, I should have known because it wasn't that easy. Now we're gonna have our ice cream scooper. It's just like the perfect proportion. I put parchment paper on. Make sure you space them out. Good size. We're just gonna leave it well, itty bitty cookie. I'm just failing today, guys. This is what cooking's all about. Messes. Come on, come on. I don't know. I'm not making a creation, guys. I'm just making globs. Make sure you space them out a good spaced out size. I don't know. Hope we got. Oof, guys. Let's hope we can get 12 in. Yay! I think we can get one more. Perfect. Oops. Let's go pop these puppies in the oven. Make sure to get an adult to do this. If not, please be very careful. Let's wait. Put it on for 12 minutes. They're ready. We gotta let them now set for 3 to 5 minutes. They're looking good. That's what I told y'all guys, the mini little cookie. Now we're gonna let them sit to 3 to 5 minutes. I can't wait. I did not mix it up enough, which was an accident. Yours are gonna look completely different if you mix it up enough, which would hopefully be good. So let's try it. Let's go. Want some? Looks like dogs think it's good, pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. to join the cookie family. Thank you so much for watching. Bonjour.